that what is crystal lattice. The definition, I am revising what I taught last time because the story starts here now. So what I told you last time was that the definition of crystal lattice is, what is the definition of arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules. But what I told you was that, in simple terms, how do we understand what is crystal lattice? I told you that whatever shape is assigned in geometry to a regular three-dimensional figure, that in chemistry we call as what we call as crystal lattice. So I told you that there are 7 crystal lattice or 7 crystal systems. What was the basis of that? The basis of that was, what is the length, the breadth and the height? Are they equal or not equal? And what is the angle between them? So based on this, what are the 7 crystal systems we got? First was simple cubic. I'm not bringing all this thing. First was simple cubic, okay, where the length, the breadth and the height. So length, breadth and height all were same. So A is equal to B is equal to C, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Okay, so this and rhombohedral are going to be the only case where A is equal to B is equal to C. So we have rhombohedral. So these are the only 2 cases. So अगर उन लोगों ने question पूछा which is the crystal lattice MCQ, तो अगर if they say A equal to B equal to C, अगर वो angles are not 90, then clear cut you know it is ये वाला 7 crystal rhombohedral. Is this point clear? Then A equal to B not equal to C, so height was different, tetragonal. Length, breadth, height was not the same, but angles were 90, orthorhombic. Okay. So these were 3 cases, simple cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, where you should know that alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma and that is equal to 90. Okay. So these 2 are what you have to remember. I told you this is something you have to remember, there is no choice. Then we had 4th one was monoclinic. Now you come across situation where A not equal to B not equal to C is 2 cases, monoclinic and triclinic. So you should remember. देखो कैसा, last time I was just teaching you, today I am explaining how to remember. So A equal to B equal to C, 2 ही choice है, या तो cubic है या rhombohedral है. अगर एंगल अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बीटा इज इक्वल टू गैमा इज इक्वल टू 90 बोला तो 3 केस आता है, क्यूबिक, टेट्रागोनल एंड ऑर्थोरोम्बिक. देन ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी नॉट इक्वल टू सी आएगा तो 2 ही रहेगा, मोनोक्लिनिक और ट्राइक्लिनिक. यू नो, ये देखने से समझना चाहिए. देन व्हाट हैपेंस, अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बीटा इज इक्वल टू 90, गैमा नॉट इक्वल टू 90, एंड हियर अल्फा नॉट इक्वल टू बीटा नॉट इक्वल टू गैमा नॉट इक्वल टू 90. ओके. देन जहां भी एंगल 120 आ जाएगा, ओके, इट इज हेक्सागोनल. ओके. सो rhombohedral of course. A alpha equal to beta is equal to gamma, alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90. So this was what we call as 7 crystal systems. Today what are we talking about? Today we are talking that there was this mathematician by the name दिखता है, Bravais. So Bravais said that depending on the location of, so Bravais said that depending on depending on location of or the lattice points, depending on the lattice points of atoms, ions or molecule, of atoms, ions or molecule, depending on lattice points of atoms, ion, molecule in a crystal system, 14 possible combinations are 14 combinations are possible. 14 combination are possible. So these were called as Bravais lattice. So what happened? They were called as Bravais lattice. They are called 14 Bravais lattice. So let us start from here. Okay, I have got a lot of space. So the first crystal system, if you remember, was cube. So what was it? A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. So this was called as cubic system. Okay. So this system is called as a cubic system. So in cubic, basically there are three Bravais lattice. What are the three Bravais lattice? You have, first is the first one is where we call as simple cubic, simple or primitive. So we call this as simple or primitive. What does it mean? It means in this case, the atoms, ions or molecule are only present on the corner. Atom, ion or molecule is present only in the corner. Is this point clear? Atoms, ions or molecules are present in the corner. So what is the lattice point? Atoms are present only in the corner. So what are you supposed to know from this? An example. Very important, because what kind of question they can ask? Which is an example of simple cubic structure or primitive? Example is polonium. Okay, so A. Then the next one was, the second one in cubic was I have to draw smaller this thing because I have to fit 14 in this. The next one was, if this was simple cubic, the next one was body-centered cubic lattice. So when you talk of body-centered cubic lattice, where are the atoms going to be present? The atoms are going to be present in the corner. Corner compulsory, वो तो कुछ choice ही नहीं है तेरे पास. Corner compulsory, and there is going to be atom at the center. So where are the atoms present? Atoms are present in the corner, and there is going to be one full atom in the center. So this will be an example of, so once again, model. दिखता है? हाँ, बराबर, देखो. So this is an example of body centered, where the atoms are present in the corner and one full atom is present in the center. So this is body से देखो यहाँ ये जो है ये center में है, ये corner है. So this is where the atoms are present. Okay. Then इसमें और क्या आएगा? I am going very slower because this is something you have to understand for lifetime. इसके बाद कभी भी ये सिखाता नहीं है. That's a whole problem. ये और concept of pH है सब. So third one in this will be so in the third one, so example, I'm sorry, we forgot the main point. That is the example. I know sodium is one of them, remember that. So sodium, iron, rubidium, titanium, tungsten and zirconium. So I would play a game where give more importance to sodium and zirconium. So example is body centered cubic lattice ka is sodium and zirconium. Sodium and zirconium. Either, sorry. Either. Example is sodium and zirconium and iron. If you want even जगह है तो include कर सकते हैं ना. Why we should leave? And iron and tungsten. And tungsten, wolfram. W is wolfram. Okay. Then, if I am able to accommodate the complete 14 properly, I'll take a photograph and send it to you also. Okay. So now listen. Next is what we have. This will be face-centered cubic lattice. So where are the atoms present? So cubic में 3 है. Face-centered cubic lattice. So this is also called SCC, BCC and FCC. Is this clear? Simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic. इसका shortcut है वो, याद रखना. So in this case, where are the atoms present? Atoms are present in the corner. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this thing there will be 8 corners. And where else are the atoms present? Atoms are present in the 6 faces, F-A-C-E-S. Where are the atoms present? They are present in 1, 2, 3, 4, पीछे का 5 और आगे का 6. So this is an example. I mean ये diagram इतना ये नहीं है, but the model will clearly show you what I am talking. दिखता है मोड़ा? हाँ, great. Can you see these are the atoms in the corner? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. या देखो ऐसा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. So where are the atoms present? I need these statements for calculating the number of atoms in unit cell. This is clear? इसलिए इसको भी इधर ही रखता हूँ. Because ये बार बार अपने को use होने वाला है. I don't need the others. Okay. So where are the atoms present? 6. So example of this will be what? Example of face-centered cubic lattice will be copper, aluminium, nickel, gold and platinum. So we have copper. So example of this will be, this was polonium लिखा है मैंने, हाँ. Copper, nickel, gold and platinum. Okay. Then we come to the second one. They are difficult to accommodate करने को, we'll see. So second one, so what was the second one that we had? The second one was tetragonal. Okay. So what was tetragonal? Second one was tetragonal. So what was tetragonal? We know that alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, and that is equal to 90. A equal to B not equal to C. A equal to B not equal to C. Is this clear? तो इसमें क्या होगा? Let us draw the structure. Type है. What are the two types that we have? We have only. So how many Bravais lattice that we have? We have primitive and body centered. So in case of tetragonal, we have only 2 Bravais lattice. So what are the lattice points that we have? We have primitive, that means only corner. Primitive, that means only, so primitive. And we have BCC, body centered cubic. सो बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्या रहेगा, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then there will be one in the center of the body. So you can see over here, yes, tetragonal body center. They are in the corner and one is in the center of the body. A equal to B, not equal to C, all angles are 90 and we have body center. Okay, this is a model of that. Okay, so then so we have BCC, primitive body center. तो body का center का एक ये इधर लिख देता है. So we will have, ये हो गया body center. Okay, then the next one that we have is what after. So again we have A equal to B equal, A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. So and that is equal to 90, that is orthorhombic. So third case is very important. So which one of the crystal system has maximum Bravais lattice? It is orthorhombic. It has got what? It has got primitive, body centered, face centered, end centered. So remember that. So I am preparing you for a MCQ. What is it? That orthorhombic so orthorhombic क्या रहेगा? A not equal to B not equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma and that is equal to 90. इसका चारों आएगा. So you have got how many? 4 crystal systems. Which are the 4 crystal system? 1, this is primitive. Then second one that we have got is body centered. So this is BCC लिखता हूँ because there is no space. And then इधर BCC and okay. FCC, face centered, and something very interesting you have. Last is, can you see this? Yeah. Okay. So now, so when I say primitive, where are the atoms present? Primitive mein the atoms are present. My drawing skills are little poor. Is this clear? So thoda teda meda dikhega, please bear with me. But this is, I got the grip because over the years I have been teaching this chapter even in the college, coaching class, tuitions and all ना. तो थोड़ा ऐसा directly free hand कर सकता है. But this is worse than doodly. Is this clear? तो simple ये हो गया. कौन सा? Primitive. तो प्रिमिटिव का एग्जाम्पल कौन सा रहेगा? ऑर्थोरोम्बिक प्रिमिटिव इज रोम्बिक सल्फर. सो इधर ही लिख देता, किधर लिखूं यार, वही प्रॉब्लम है. प्रिमिटिव रोम्बिक सल्फर. You have to remember these 14 examples. You have to remember 14, all the parameters and 14 examples which are given in the textbook. Because especially MSCT, they can ask, if you see the MCQs, a lot of question has been asked that rhombic sulfur has what kind of Bravais lattice. See, the question framed is rhombic sulfur has what kind of crystal system or crystal lattice. तो तू क्या बोलेगा? ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक बोलेगा. But if they ask Bravais lattice, तो तेरे को फिर primitive orthorhombic बोलना पड़ेगा. Both have to be given. Then we have body centered cubic lattice. What happens in body centered cubic lattice? And then of course that common question which I told you, that orthorhombic crystal system is the one which has got the maximum Bravais lattice. Then body centered orthorhombic का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आई विल डू इट इन ब्लू बिकॉज स्लाइटली एंड सेंटर बहुत कम है. व्हाट इज एज सेंटर? देखो, वेयर आर द एटम्स प्रेजेंट? इधर जगह है, आई विल शो यू. व्हाट इज एज सेंटर? ब्लैक. सो व्हाट इज एज सेंटर? जरा बड़ा लिखता हूं ताकि यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. So where are the atoms present? At orthorhombic end centered will be something like this. We'll come across the business of edge also, center of the edge also later on. So orthorhombic end centered means where are the atoms present? Atoms are present in the 8 corners. Atoms are present in the 8 corners, and atoms are only present here at the top and bottom. Not all the 6 faces. 6 faces रहेगा तो face centered हो जाएगा ना, but खाली ऊपर और नीचे रहेगा, then this is called as end centered. So example of that will be magnesium sulfate 7H2. Very interesting about magnesium sulfate, I'll tell you extra knowledge. This is called as Epsom salt because this was first found in a place called Epsom in England. What happened? The rivulet which used to flow from Epsom, anybody who used to drink water used to get diarrhea. So they were thinking, is there some germ in that water that what do you call the people are having diarrhea? So what they did, they heated the water so that germs will die, and then they drank the water again. Still they got purging. So then they distilled the water completely off, and they got crystals of magnesium sulfate, and they realized that magnesium sulfate is a purgative. So if you take a small amount of magnesium sulfate, it is clear, Epsom salt, you will pass, you will go to toilet at least 10 times in a day. It is a very strong purgative. So remember this, it is clear. So end centered is up and bottom. It is clear, not the face. So अगर पूरा 6 faces आएगा तो face centered आएगा, खाली ऊपर और नीचे आएगा तो देन इट विल बी एंड सेंटर्ड. तो अपना कितना आ गया देखो, वापस से मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. आई होप दिस जंबल योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. फर्स्ट वाज व्हाट? क्यूबिक. क्यूबिक में 3 था, प्रिमिटिव, बॉडी सेंटर्ड, फेस सेंटर्ड. सेकेंड वाज टेट्रागोनल, वी हैड ओनली 2, primitive, body centered. One with the most number of Graves lattice is orthorhombic, primitive, body centered, face centered and end centered. Face centered and end centered. Is this point clear? Then ये हो गया 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अभी easy है. Now we'll come to the fourth type. We'll draw a line over here ताकि some distinction will be there. नहीं तो everything will be a jumble. Okay. Now in this space we have to accommodate remainder. So 1, 2, 3 हो गया 4. So what was the fourth system that we had? The fourth system we had was monoclinic. So what is monoclinic now? Now we don't have tension. Fourth is monoclinic. What can we say about monoclinic? What are the A not equal to B not equal to C. What can we say about the angle? It is alpha and beta equal to beta equal to 90 and gamma not equal to 90. So monoclinic was something like this. So this was monoclinic. Monoclinic has only 2 examples, primitive and end centered. So monoclinic का 2 ही केस है. कौन सा? Primitive. Primitive क्या रहेगा? I'll do one full revision after this. So you have primitive, which means what? Atoms are only present in the corners. And then you are surprisingly primitive, and this is end centered, not edge. This is end centered. Have 7 crystal systems. Which are the 7 crystal systems? Revision vapas. Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, 4th was monoclinic, 5th was triclinic, 6th was hexagonal, and then rhombohedral. Then we came to the point what? Depending on the position of the atoms, ions or molecules, 14 possible systems were the lattices. This was then called as Bravais lattice. तो Bravais lattice में 14 कैसा आया? Cubic में 3 था. कौन सा? Simple or primitive, where the atoms were only present in the corner. Example was polonium. Very important. Okay. Why? Why is polonium important? Because also it is the most radioactive element. Polonium is the most radioactive element. Then what do we have? Body-centered cubic lattice. Sodium, zirconium, iron and tungsten. Sodium का तो at least याद रखो, because that much they expect you to know. Then face-centered cubic lattice. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium में बोला. Aluminium, gold, platinum, copper. Then we had tetragonal, only 2 types, primitive, body-centered. Orthorhombic, most important. Why? Maximum Bravais lattice is in orthorhombic. This is clear. We have primitive, body-centered, face-centered and what? End-centered. What is end-centered? ऊपर नीचे खाली. बाकी 4 फेस में नहीं है. Monoclinic, only 2 types, primitive, end-centered. तो which is the Bravais lattice which is end-centered बोलेगा? खाली 2 ही आएगा. कौन सा? Orthorhombic और monoclinic. याद रखना. That's another way of asking a question. वो इसमें बहुत questions घुमाने का chances बहुत हाई है. Then we have triclinic. Correct? Triclinic एक ही है क्या? Primitive. अपना usual potassium dichromate याद रखना. Hexagonal. How will you remember hexagonal? One of the angle is 120. Magnesium primitive है. Then rhombohedral, calcite and boron. Boron is very important. It is clear. How much time we have? We have 10 minutes. One small aspect I'll teach you. Okay. So now we are coming to a definition. What is the definition we are coming to? इधर इसको उड़ा सकते हैं because इधर है ये end centered. ऑर्थोरोम्बिक में इधर कर दिया तो एंड सेंटर्ड हो जाएगा. और एक कौन है? मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट 7H2, एप्सम सॉल्ट. Now I am going to use only this space. I need only the black pen now. Okay. So what happens is, listen, we have one definition to talk about. What is the definition? The definition is coordination number. So what do you mean by coordination number? Coordination number is number of atoms surrounding a given atom. Number of atoms surrounding a given atom. So you take one idea. Like if I take simple cubic, how many atoms are touching it? So when I draw the structure of simple cubic, either, then I can only write the numbers over here. I take any one atom. चलो इसको लेता हूँ. How many atoms are surrounding or touching it? That is its coordination number. So let us now calculate how much. देखो ये साइड का जो रहेगा ये 1, ये जो दिखता है अपने को 2, ये जो दिखता है 3. ओके. देन यू विल हैव, ये देखो 1 2 3 4. So you will have 1 above 4 and you will have 5. It should be 6 totally. देखो तो 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6 ऐसा. So ये 6 रहेगा. 5 6. So we have one atom. So how many atoms are surrounding it? 1 2 3 4 पीछे 5 और एक इधर 6. So नाम coordination number of simple cubic कितना रहेगा? 6. Again you try to understand what I'm saying. मैं इसको लेके आता हूँ. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना रहेगा? देखो जो अपने को क्लियर दिखता है 1, ये इसको टच कर रहा है, ये इसको टच कर रहा है 2, फिर ये इसको टच कर रहा है 3, फिर ये ऊपर वाला 4, फिर ये 5 और ये 6 रहेगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? देखो इफ आई टेक दिस फेलो एज द रेफरेंस एटम, इट इज टचिंग दिस 1, इट इज टचिंग दिस 2, इट इज टचिंग दिस 3, देन इट इज टचिंग ऊपर 4 5 और ये साइड वाला. तो इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ सिंपल क्यूबिक कितना हो जाएगा? सो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर सिंपल SCC 6 हो जाएगा. देन वी कम टू व्हाट? BCC बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक. ये इजी है, इट इज इजी. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? व्हाई? लुक एट दिस. When I am drawing body centered, तो डाउट है तो पूछो. So where are the atoms present? Atoms are present in the 8 corners. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and there is a atom present in the center of the body. So we can take any one. So if I take this, how many immediate neighbor does it have? 8. इधर देखो. We'll look at the model. I am taking the model is very clear. I am taking the atom at the center. And how many atoms are touching it? 1 2 3 4 and पीछे वाला 5 6 7 8. ये बहुत easy है. So what happens? In case of body centered cubic lattice, the coordination number is 8. Coordination number is 8. Number of atoms surrounding or touching a given atom, any atom, that's your choice, you can take, that is called as coordination number. We are only supposed to know for cube. So for simple cubic, each atom is surrounded by 6 other atoms. Coordination number is 6. For body centered, each atom is surrounded by 8 other atoms. So this will be 8. Then we come to what? इधर देखो. Then we come to कौन सा? We come to face centered cubic lattice. ध्यान से सुनो अभी. This I need footer. I am finding the coordination number. CN means coordination number of FCC. फेस सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक लैटिस. जरा ध्यान, ये ब्लू है क्या ब्लैक है? ब्लैक है. आई एम ड्रॉइंग वन क्यूब. पहला दे नॉट ट्रिकी लिटिल Okay, so this is a cube. When I say face centered cubic lattice, where are the atoms present? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 in the corner, and then there are how much? 6 faces. 1 2 3 4, आगे का 5 और पीछे का 6. ओके. Now which is the reference atom I am trying to use, whose neighbors I am going to find out? A. तो look at the A. इसलिए इसका ये मॉडल थोड़ा बड़ा बनाया हम लोग ने. तो ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा है. दिस इज द एटम वी आर टॉकिंग. उसका आधा इधर है और आधा दूसरा यूनिट सेल में रहेगा. दिस इज वन यूनिट सेल, देयर विल बी अनदर यूनिट सेल. तो हाफ एन एटम इज ओवर हियर, द अदर हाफ इज इन द अदर यूनिट सेल. सो हाउ मेनी नेबर्स इट इज हैविंग? 4 of the corners. It's also touching 4 of the center of the face of this and 4 of the center of the face of the other unit cell. Are you understanding? तो क्या हो रहा है? This is divided into 2 unit cells. देखो 2 यूनिट सेल में अपने को देखना पड़ेगा. कैसे? So where are the atoms present? देखो ये एक यूनिट सेल है, ये एक दूसरा यूनिट सेल है. ओके. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? सो देखो कॉर्नर वाला ना दोनों में शेयर होता है और ये फेस वाला भी शेयर हो रहा है. इज दिस क्लियर? एंड देन वेयर आर द एटम्स? 6 फेसेस ना, ब्लू. एक, पीछे का 2, 3, सामने का 4. सो नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द एटम विच इज अंडर रेफरेंस इज दिस. इसको कितना नेबर है? व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर? 1, 2, 3, 4. दिस इज कॉर्नर. देन वी हैव 5, 6, 7, 8. This is center of the face of this. And this one 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the coordination number? Coordination number or number of atoms surrounding. अभी with this diagram again I'll take the model. देखो समझने के लिए हम लोग कितना लेना पड़ता है? 2 यूनिट सेल लेना पड़ेगा. ये एक यूनिट सेल है, इसको एक आगे लगाना पड़ेगा. विच इज द एटम अंडर रेफरेंस? द एटम अंडर रेफरेंस इज दिस एटम इन द सेंटर ऑफ द फेस. हाउ मेनी इमीडिएट नेबर्स इट हैज? 1, 2, 3, 4 कॉर्नर, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. तो ये दोनों कॉर्नर कॉमन हो जाएगा. 4 of the common corner between the 2 unit cell, 4 in the center of the face of this unit cell and 4 in the center of the face of this unit cell. Are you understanding? ये इसको लिया 4 कॉर्नर कॉमन टू बोथ द यूनिट सेल. तो 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ऐसा. So coordination number is 12. So simple cubic coordination number is 6. Body centered cubic coordination number is 8 and face centered cubic coordination number is 12. I hope I have been able to explain to you.